Howdy, I'm Derek, and for this episode of Lambda of the Week, we're covering a custom Excel Lambda function called File Folder. If you're new to Lambda, please check out the video that previews this weekly series using the link in the comments below. To get a free workbook containing this one and a few others, please see the link in the comments below for that as well. And if you want to get a Lambda library of all the functions that I use with 70 plus of them, examples of each, there's a link in the comments below for that as well. So for this week, we're looking at one called File Folder. So up here in this cell A2, I'm typing in L_file folder. I use that L_ so that it's easy to tell them apart from the native Excel functions. There are no parameters for this one. It's literally just using the file itself, and it's going to return what that is. Now this happens to be on OneDrive, so it's giving us the URL for it. Okay, just to help you understand why this is helpful, right? We can look over here and see the entirety of this being defined, right? So we're taking most of the part of the file name using the cell function. Now, rather than have to type all that out, we can use a Lambda. Now, if you're using OneDrive like I am, then you're going to get that URL. If you want to have the local path, then there is a user-defined function. We do have to use kind of a VBA code to do that. That's something that is in the XLEV8 add-ins you could use as well. But that first part here is going to take the results of the Lambda and it's going to convert that for you. I do that a lot because I do a lot of things with files to update and automate around them, and it just makes it helpful to do that. But it's leveraging this custom Lambda function, right? That's it for this week. Remember to grab your free copy of this workbook, or even better, grab a copy of all the ones we're going to look at for 2026 and many more using the links in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, give it a comment telling us what you like, share with a friend, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss out on other great Excel tools, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have an excellent rest of your day.